The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Evans County in southeastern Georgia, Northwest and Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Dorchester County in southeastern South Carolina, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Carlton County in southeastern South Carolina, Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Northwest and Long County in southeastern Georgia, Southern Belloch County in southeastern Georgia, Central Seattle County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Berkeley County in southeastern South Carolina, and Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Excessive rainfall over the warned area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation and other loose materials. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 between mile markers 119 and 167. Interstate 26 between mile markers 158 and 219. Interstate 95 between mile markers 0 and 172. Interstate 95 between mile markers 52 and 83. Highway 15 between mile markers 0 and 63. Highway 17 between mile markers 90 and 118. Highway 17 between mile markers 0 and 160. Highway 21 between mile markers 0 and 80. Highway 25 between mile markers 70 and 96. Highway 52 between mile markers 0 and 102. Highway 78 between mile markers 59 and 72. Highway 80 between mile markers 123 and 188. Highway 176 between mile markers 0 and 42. Highway 278 between mile markers 0 and 116. Highway 280 between mile markers 179 and 217. Highway 301 between mile markers 72 and 149. Highway 321 between mile markers 0 and 47. Highway 378 between mile markers 138 and 175. Highway 521 between mile markers 0 and 61. Highway 601 between mile markers 0 and 39. Highway 17 between mile markers 0 and 114. Highway 21 between mile markers 0 and 31. Highway 30 between mile markers 0 and 10. Highway 76 between mile markers 3 and 14. Highway 170 between mile markers 0 and 14. ***, you selected the flash flood emergency toll without selecting the flash flood emergency header !***. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. In hilly terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.